Hi, I'm Mr. Bofield.
Hi, this is Mrs. Kim.
I teach art and Miss Kim teaches music. We wanted to let families know about the art and music bags. So these are the kits that our students at school are using right now. For instance, with art, they receive this kit. If you're in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, it includes a sketchbook, a ruler, Sharpie, an eraser. For kindergarten, 1st, you just have those supplies without the sketchbook. What students are doing is they're bringing their supplies from the general supply list, including glue, markers, crayons, scissors, everything, all that. They're putting it in the bag and taking it to art. Now, this is important also for our virtual learners because they're going to be using these supplies on their online classroom. And then when they do come to the school for in-person learning, they're going to be bringing this bag from home to school. So I want to make sure all of our learners have it, especially those learners that need the sketchbook, because we are going to be doing activities that require those materials.
Hi, so this is Mrs. Kim, your music teacher at Christie. We are so excited to have these kits ready for all the students at Christie. If you are a face-to-face learners, you don't have to worry about this. I will be handing out these kits to the students myself during class time next week. However, if you are virtual, you have to come pick up these kits yourself next Monday and Tuesday, 3:30 to 5 at Christie Elementary School. And Mr. Bofield will include all the information of where and when.
They will be picked up from the south parking lot. This is where Chromebooks were picked up. It would help us so much if you could please write your child's name and grade level and hold it up so that we can help you a little bit faster.
Quickly, what's inside the kit? For kindergartners through 2nd graders, it includes beat and rhythm charts, comparative terms chart, movement chart, 2 yarn pieces, and 1 scarf. So it looks like this, has yarns and scarf and all these charts that will be included in the kit. And for 3rd through 5th graders, we have sofa tone ladder and some music vocabulary words that they should know. There's 2 of those. And on the back, we can write our own music and more vocabulary words and step chart. And it also includes 12 bingo chips where you can write your own music using these chips to any of these charts. So these are essential for class. Students are expected to have this in front of them while I'm giving a class. So make sure you make time to come pick up these kits. Thank you very much.
And the days that we'll be offering pickup for these kits will be September 28th and then September 29th. We're doing this from 3:30 to 5 p.m. on those 2 days. So we hope to see you there.
We look forward to seeing everybody there and thank you so much. See you next Monday or Tuesday at 3:30. Bye.